Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove keyboard languages in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to typing interface and click on this global symbol. When you press each time global symbol, there will be appearing another language that you have already added to the keyboard of your phone. Okay, if you would like to remove the languages from the keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to general management, and go to Samsung keyboard settings, go to languages and types, and here these are the languages that I use. Okay, English, Tamil, Malayalam, and this language. Okay, and click on manage input languages and turn off the button against desired languages that you want to remove. Okay, I would like to remove now Tamil, Malayalam, and this language. Okay, I have turned off all three language except English. Okay, you cannot turn off English. Okay, because at least one language should be there. Okay, so extra languages have been removed now. Go to the typing interface and go to go here, and you will not see that global symbol. Okay, and only English language is available. So in this way you can easily remove languages from the Samsung keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.